You're watching how to hide App Store on iPhone. You cannot delete the App Store app, but you can hide its icon using screen time restrictions. Open the Settings app and go to Screen Time, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. You may need to enable this toggle if it's off. Enter a 4-digit screen time passcode. Make sure you remember it. Once enabled, tap Allowed Apps. You will see a list of core iOS apps. Find App Store in this list. Toggle the switch next to App Store to the off position. White Exit Settings. The App Store icon will now disappear from your home screen and app library. To access it again, you must return to Settings. Screen time, content and privacy restrictions, allowed apps, and toggle the App Store back on. Another method is to use the built-in Remove App feature, but this only removes it from the home screen, not the app library. To do this, press and hold the App Store icon on your home screen until the menu appears, then tap Remove App. Choose Remove from Home Screen. The App Store will still be accessible in your app library. To hide it from the app library as well, you must use the screen time method described first. This is useful for parental controls to prevent unauthorized downloads. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.